Boy, that was a long night at the bar. Oh boy, I don't feel good. I don't think I can go any longer. Wait, is this my house? This is my house. My goodness, this doesn't look like my house. Oh boy. But boy, man, this bed feels good though. Oh boy, I think I'll just lay in here. I don't know if it's my house or not, but the neighbors know me anyway.
Hello? Yeah. There's a guy in the house. Can you please help? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm in here. Here. Sorry.
Because I was going to say, how are you going to have your mother over for dinner? When
Hi,
you
Will.
she's in my house now. It's good.
Hi.
Nice seeing you. Okay.
Hi.
Natalie, I got something for you. Want to open it? Taylor, you ready?
Hi.
Gotta go.
Hi, Will.
Here, Natalie.
Look at Luke. Yeah.
Mama's old helping wedding was her present. You open it and then you show mommy after you open it.
I back off.
Madison, honey, there's your
Look at
present
Luke.
here. Right here.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream.
What was your favorite present this year?
That would have to be my Buffalo Bills chair.
Name 3 things that if your house was on fire that you would save. That's not people or animals. Just 3 objects.
It would be my wedding ring, pictures, and my wallet.
Okay. If you had to pick one thing from your house and if you had $1 million, what would you buy?
Wow.
If you could only buy one thing, what would it be?
For $1 million?
Yeah.
Just one thing, and that's all I can buy is one thing?
Yeah. And it can be less, too.
I would buy a tax-free annuity.
Okay. Bye-bye. Say da-da. Granny. Say, Granny, wait over here. Say da-da. Oh, there we go. Say da-da. Say da-da. Granny, say da-da. Say da-da. Say da-da. Look at Granny. Say da-da. Say da-da. The baby.